This may not be good for certain industry. You said just now, men should also do this feminism. No. The most masculine, athletic god that you can see is Shiva, but one half of him is woman. A woman is not a separate species, first of all. Technology has leveled the difference because your big muscle is no more useful. You need some brain. In the end, it is woman who loses out. Law can be made very ugly. You took up Draupadi's example. If you make money is the only prime value in your life, then world will become very male.
In today's world, in this competitive world where we want to go out and work, how do we make sure that the women who go out and work, they balance their life well? Spiritual leaders like you can certainly give them some practical understanding of how to, be there and maintain their balance and be very well in a sense of spirituality also.
This may not be good for certain industry, but it's very important that you said just now, men should also do this feminism. No, what we need is humanity. We don't need masculinism or feminism, we need human nature to evolve. If human nature evolves, women will naturally exhibit more feminine qualities, men will naturally exhibit more masculine qualities. There may be a little intermixing, some women may be more masculine, some men may be a little more feminine, that's not an issue. But the important thing is our humanity should overflow, not our masculinity or our femininity, because you're talking about skewing life. Don't skew life, we will pay for it after some time. It's important life comes up in a balanced manner. You must understand in this country, this is being demonstrated in 1,000 different ways. See, in the culture and in a way in the world, the most masculine, athletic god that you can see is Shiva, but one half of him is woman, all right? Literally, one half of him is woman to clearly show in symbolism that you're a combination of the two. If you're not balanced between these two, you will become a very skewed life. Any skewed life, either this way or that way, you're going to pay the price after some time. So if women have to succeed in today's world, why are we always thinking of putting a woman into a man's world and asking her to succeed? Why don't we redesign the world a little bit, as it is suitable for all human beings? You must understand the world got designed like this at a certain time in history. So technology has come, machine has overpowered the muscle. So now what matters is your success largely depends on your intelligence, not on your muscular strength. So now a level playing field is being created just now. Already don't jump the gun, let us continue to do this, gradually it'll anyway level out. But if you try to forcefully change things, you will see it'll create ugliness, and in the end, it is woman who loses out because there is a certain sensitivity that she needs in the society. If everything is run by rules, she will suffer. Hard rules. Man doesn't care, he will go on, but woman will suffer. It's very important a sensitive society is created, not just by law. Little sensitivity is needed. Law can be made ugly for the woman, yes? Law can be made very ugly. You took up Draupadi's example. This is what happened. They went by the word of the law and made it so ugly for her. If there was little sensitivity in that court, they would have said, this is not it, isn't it? But they went on debating dharma, dharma, adharma, and they said, okay, this is the law, and they interpreted it in 1,000 different ways and made her go through the disgraceful situation. So we must understand this. If sensitivity has to come, it's very important we restructure the workspaces, because now so many women are beginning to go out and work. We need to change the external situation rather than women changing themselves like men and going out and being successful. We need to redesign the world, and that won't happen overnight. We need to pay attention to it. What is the requirement? A woman is not a separate species, first of all. This too much of man-woman thing is being done, unfortunately. It's a small biological difference. to serve a certain purpose. We are all here today because of this difference, yes? So, we don't have to treat women like separate species. There was a time when the world was such that a woman couldn't really go out and do much because of the nature of the world around. But today, you must understand it's not your liberal attitude which has brought women reasonably level, just technology. Technology has leveled the difference because your big muscle is no more useful. You need some brain. When man's muscle did everything on this planet, naturally man was dominant. This dominance also is misunderstood. He dominated in one arena which was filmed and reported. She dominated in a different arena which was private and not reported. If you make economics the only value of your life, money is the only prime value in your life, then world will become very male. Because there'll be no room for the feminine to find expression. There may be women, but they will surrender their feminine to be successful, unfortunately. This should not happen. Women should succeed as women, not as men.